I have something scary that I gotta share with you guys. 1 second, I'll be right back. So it's currently the month of August, the 8th month of the year, August 2022. Today is August 6th. My house has to be done August 19th. That's less than 2 weeks away. And on August 31st, this house, my lease ends and I get kicked out. This day right here, September 1, I'm gonna be homeless. So we're headed off to the house. The last time we were out there, I think, was 2 weeks ago. There are so many updates. There are so many changes. 2 weeks ago, I was like, there's absolutely no way under any circumstances whatsoever we're gonna hit the August 19th deadline. But I think when you guys see the house today, you might have a little hope. You might have a little faith. It's not a guarantee. There's no guarantees in life. We have some good news. We have a caveat. So here's the caveat, the best news I've received in my entire life. So I told you guys, August 19th, the bank is foreclosing at the house. We're here at the house. It's looking absolutely incredible. I'm gonna show you guys everything that's been done. Obviously, you can see a ton has been done. I talked to the bank. They have decided to graciously extend me an additional 30 days. That means the new foreclosure date is September 19th. But as I mentioned, I get kicked out of my rental house August 31st. So regardless of the bank, August 31st is now the new deadline, or I'm actually gonna be legit homeless. If Baby Burlacker is watching today's video, you don't know this, but I may or may not be moving back in. Every single time I come to the house, when one more thing has been done, even if it's the tiniest little thing, I get so excited because one step closer to the finish line. Case in point, you can see the curb has been cut there for the future driveway. We also have gravel finally in place. They should be paving the driveway, I think early next week, maybe next week. You can see the pathway as well to the front door. When I say early next week, that's the exact same thing. That is next week. Now originally the house was gonna have 2 driveways. There was gonna be this driveway, and we were gonna have a driveway that wrapped around over here. But unfortunately, the bid for 2 driveways was gonna be $80,000 for 2 driveways, so now we have 1. You're probably wondering why 2 driveways? Let me explain. My vertical is gonna impress you, okay? So I'm 6 feet, okay, I'm 5'11" and 3/4, don't worry about it. I don't think you can tell. Yeah, I get it. Okay. I was jumping in gravel, it's like loose soil.
Jumping in gravel, it's like loose soil.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
My vertical is like 14 inches right there. Anyways, if ever I have a motorhome or a boat, it's not gonna fit under the sky bridge, so we need a wraparound driveway, but I don't have a boat, I don't have a motorhome, and $80,000 is kind of insane. So for now, 1 driveway, in the future, 2 driveways. Now I hadn't pointed this out quite yet, but I think most of you guys noticed the house is painted. It is painted, it looks absolutely amazing. We got the tricorn black, the glacier white, the arctic white, some kind of white. We have red brick too. We're just waiting on soffit and fascia and garage doors, and the outside of the house is done. You can see we got more gravel for the courtyard back here too. Concrete next week, like I mentioned earlier. We got more black over there. It's coming together. I also forgot we're waiting on light fixtures. You can see the wiring. The red brick is also super dirty, so they're gonna come through and they're gonna power wash all the red brick and make that stuff glow. My Hummer EV, we gotta install the charger right there. No, we're not gonna have a wooden ramp into my house. We're gonna have a concrete step. Don't worry, we will, I think, I hope. Actually, honestly, I don't even know. We have some very exciting news in the kitchen, but I'm not gonna share it with you guys quite yet. Okay, I gotta enjoy my moment. It's a very unexpected surprise. Okay, fine. We actually have countertops in the kitchen. That is such a big step. It is such an incredible step, and I'm really excited with how they turned out. So we went with 2 different options. The center section, like this island, is a black quartz or granite. Honestly, I don't know if it's quartz or granite. I should know that, but it looks so sick. I love like all these fissures, maybe fissures. And then this section here, that is for the waterfall. So that's gonna float off of this into the floor. And then for the outer edges, we went with more conventional, just a solid gray that I think looks super, super, super clean. We have the infinity pantry there too. This is where the fridge is gonna go. And I just love this industrial stainless steel sink. This is a sink, I think, for the laundry room, not entirely sure. But what do you guys think? Do you like the blue facing? I realize It's kind of a love-hate. I think it looks dope. Yay or nay? I'm pretty sure I mentioned this in the last video, but going along with the same theme, we have more blue over here. Obviously, we got the soft close. That is dope. And of course, we have the patio off the main house. You can see all the gravel down here. So the same day they pour the driveway, they're gonna be pouring this patio too. What do you guys think of all the black on this side? I feel like the red brick and the black is timeless. I think it looks amazing. Do you guys agree? Did I make the wrong choice? And then the columns, do we leave them as is, like this natural color? Do we stain them a darker color? Do we go black? I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. Literally no idea. So what do you guys think? Yay or nay? I can't believe this is my house. I'm gonna be moving in 30 days. Living here. The echo is bad. I'm trying to not talk loud, but my normal voice, it still echoes. So from the living room to the master bedroom, there's really no exciting news in the bedroom. Bathroom though, it looks so sick in here, but check out the shower. It's really dark in here, but the shower floor, like the tile is so intricate, it looks so sick. It turned out so good. The shower, it's hard to convey the size. It is enormous. And back in the main bathroom, the tile work looks so sick. Shout out to Dallin Tile. I love how it wraps up the walls. Super, super, super cool. We got the vanities. The mirrors are gonna be going in soon. Now the walk-in closet, no real updates on that. That probably won't be done until maybe December. It's not a requirement for a certificate of occupancy, and they're on back order for like 3 months. So the walk-in closet, this house is gonna be a construction site, honestly, for the rest of the year. I might just live in said construction site. We just have so many updates in today's video, and it is a million degrees. Every level we go up in this house, I think the temperature raises like 10 degrees. So this little landing right here, we just got the flooring installed right there. I am convinced I definitely need to get a vintage motorcycle for that spot. Which one? I don't know. I'm not gonna bore you guys with bathroom tile for the rest of the video, but I gotta show you one more bathroom because it's so sick. I love the tile in this bathroom. The shower looks so sick. You got the 2 windows. This might be honestly my favorite, more so than even the master. I love that floor tile. Such a sick shower. And yes, the bathroom tile for that bedroom and the bathroom tile for that bedroom are both done. We have all the cabinetry over there for the wet bar, but the room above the garage, we got flooring in place. This flooring is so sick. So it's called Gravity. This room is coming together. You guys saw this in the last video, but we gotta open this up yet again because it's just cool. That's just cool. Normal voice? Loud! It is so echoey in here. I'm trying to talk as quiet as okay, not anymore. Strad ASMR. There's no updates in the garage, but it's sick. I'm pretty sure I explained this in the last video, but I gotta reiterate, the garage does not have to be done for occupancy. So that means the day we move into the house, hopefully August 30th, more than likely we're not moving into the garage. The garage will not be done. It's not a requirement. It's a bummer because yes, all the buildup, all the excitement, we're just moving into the house and the garage won't be done, but it should be done in October, November. And we have no real updates in the back cave, nothing. And we have nothing here in the basement. And one last thing, the landscaping will not be done. I repeat, it will not be done the day I move in. Luckily, it is not a requirement for occupancy. The house is looking so good though. I really love the color combo. It's crazy to think I might be living in that house in 25 days, or I might be homeless in 25 days. I prefer that option, a nicer option. So it has come to my attention that I have not showed you guys how to crab walk the Hummer EV, and I apologize for that because I've had this truck for almost a week now. I put on 359 miles and I have not taught you guys how to crab walk. It's super easy. So, step 1 to engage crab walk, you hold this button down, wait for the sound effects. I just feel triumphant. I feel motivated. The sound effects in the Hummer EV are second to none. So, crab walk has been initialized. Now the key is to hold the steering wheel, the top of it, down, and then, well, here we go. I haven't actually figured out when you would actually use crab walk, but it's fun regardless. I don't even know if you guys could tell I was crab walking, so if that was the world's worst footage, my apologies, but I am who I am. I think today's video is pretty much over. We have we have 2 more items. First off, I broke the Ferrari 458, so more to come in the next video, but inside we have a couple surprises. First and foremost, Oscar! Hustle, boy, hustle, the door's about to close. Oscar? Oscar! Hey, Floofa, the MVP, the most valuable floof. We have the extension cord because this is very, very, very important. So here in the spare bedroom, I gotta show you guys this. So, dun dun, and let there be light. Oh, no, what just happened? We have this cool remote. We're gonna push the power button. Oh, yes, this is so cool. So shout out to my boys at Wasatch Glass and Amsco Windows. Look at that. That is so sick. So the goal is to put this in the garage on the main floor. That is gonna be so cool. That looks ridiculous. Oscar, buddy, come look at this sign. We gotta get one made for Oscar. Oscar, hey, Floofa, look. Let there be light. So that's pretty much gonna end today's video, but to summarize, I gotta be out of this house August 31st. Now, luckily, I really don't own that much furniture. I have this chair. I love this chair. The couch, you guys know how I feel about the couch. We have the FI Exhaust coffee table / crate. We got the TV Johnny gave me. Johnny Sharp, shout out to Johnny Sharp for the free TV. Baby Burlacker gave me this couch. I really don't own any other furniture whatsoever. The new house, I don't think is gonna have a refrigerator. It might have a washer and a dryer. It might have a dishwasher. I think it has to have an oven for occupancy. I really don't know, but I have no furniture ordered. So the house is gonna be empty for a very, very, very long time. So yes, August 31st, I'm gonna be out of this house. The bank won't foreclose on the new house until September 19th, but come September 19th, if the house isn't done, they will foreclose. I'll be homeless for upwards of 19 days to infinite days. So yeah, I think on that bombshell, today's video is over. I'm basically running a marathon today with all this tripod work.